What's up, everyone? This is Smoke coming to you from Loon Lake. I want to show you a really cool feature of the MORRFlate kit, and it's the fact that it's able to equalize your tires for you. As an example, I've got my tire right here. Say you blew a bead, you had to patch your tire with a glue tread patch, and your tires are just all the way to the ground, or as you have it here, maybe with 0 to 1 psi in it. What you can do is plug in all your tires together, attach in that lower PSI tire to the rest, and they'll go ahead and equalize out. So if you come over and look on the gauge right now, I've got the tires at about 20 PSI. So we're going to go ahead and run over here and show you that we're at 0. And now let's go ahead and put some air back in this tire. And you can already hear it transferring into this tire, and you can already see it coming up. So we'll go ahead and set a timer right now. And we'll go ahead and see how long that takes, and we'll let you know once we're all leveled out. It's only been about 2 minutes so far, and as you can see, the tire is already looking like it is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off. We haven't finished airing up, but just I want to show you within 2 minutes, this is what we're already looking at. So we're already up to 12.6 on this tire, and so it should just be a little bit longer, and then we should be fully transferred and ready to keep on going. So after the course of about 5 minutes, letting the truck just naturally settle with the air between the tires, everything's looking good. We're not hearing any air transfer anymore. So if you come over here and look at the gauge, we're sitting at about 13.5. All the tires look good to go. And so now, rather than having to pull out your compressor and air up a singular tire, if you have enough extra air in your other tires, you can actually transfer them between tires and save yourself the extra work. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and have a good one.